In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use categories in Acuity scheduling to keep your services neat and organized. Let's dive right in to ensure you have everything in place for a seamless booking experience, both for you and for your clients. First things first, head over to the Acuity scheduling website. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen and you'll find the Login button. Give it a click. Now, if you've already set up an account using your email, you can simply log in that way. Alternatively, if you're looking for a quicker route, you can use the option to continue with Google. This is especially useful if you want to skip manually entering your email and password. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. This area is essentially your command center where all the magic happens. Focus your gaze on the Appointment Types section. This is where all your services are carefully listed. Consider this your hub for managing the various services you provide. Now, choose a service you'd like to organize with categories and click on the Edit button situated next to it. This will allow you to make any necessary tweaks to the service details. As you're scrolling through the editing options, your attention should land on the Category section. If you're not finding an ideal category that fits, don't fret. There's an option for that. You can create a new one just right there. Simply click on Create a New Category and proceed to type in a name. Make sure this name clearly articulates the group of services you intend to include under this category. Once you're comfortable with the name, hit Save to commit these changes. It's important to note that categories aren't solely confined to individual services. They're also incredibly useful for packages and promos. To handle these, navigate back to your dashboard. Here, you'll want to shift your focus to the section labeled Packages and Promos and click on it. If you're in the process of setting up a new appointment package, go ahead and select New Appointment Package. From this point, you can create or assign a category to your packages, gift certificates, or subscriptions in precisely the same manner as you did for your services, ensuring everything is managed cohesively. Organizing with categories ensures that everything is tidy and simple to handle, both from your perspective and from a client's viewpoint, whether it's services, packages, promos, gift certificates, or subscriptions. Categories bring much needed clarity and organization to your booking process. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on maximizing your use of Acuity scheduling. We'll catch you in the next video.